Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Remini Photo Enhancer. In this video, follow the procedure to improve your photos and videos. So first, download and install Remini. You can download and install Remini on your device by searching for Remini AI Photo Enhancer in the App Store or Google Play Store. After you install it, click Open. Now, select your photo or video to enhance. Choose the photo or video you want to enhance or edit from your device's gallery or take a fresh photo or video by using the Remini app. And choose your favorite enhancement feature. Remini offers many enhancement tools, including basic, HD, and artistic, noise reduction, reviving old photos, and enhance color. The basic mode is ideal for enhancing the sharpness and clarity of your photos, while the HD mode can bring out the details in your photos. In artistic mode, you can convert your photos into AI avatar style and different works of art. Then, auto adjustment. Once you've selected the enhancement mode feature, Remini will automatically start processing your photo or video. The time taken for processing can vary depending on the file size and the enhancement mode you've chosen. And last, save and share your edit photo or video. Once the editing or enhancement is complete, Remini is the best app to send pictures without losing quality or share them directly from the app to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. The tips for how to use Remini: use high-quality photos and videos for editing. Try different editing features and tools. And don't overdo it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.